to make your Facebook account completely private on your iPhone or Android phone. Start by opening the Facebook app. Once you're in the app, open the menu by selecting the menu button at the bottom right. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy and select it. Then choose Settings. In the Settings and Privacy section, you'll be making several changes to ensure your account is private. Begin with the Privacy Checkup, which can be found under the Account section, or use the search function to find it. In the Privacy Checkup, select Who can see what you share, and then Continue. The first page will display your profile information, where you'll want to set everything to Only Me. Go through each option, including birthday, hometown, friends, and following, and set them to Only Me using the drop-down menu. Next, you'll set who can see your posts and stories. For future posts, you can limit the audience by selecting the drop-down menu and choosing Only Me or a custom list of friends. For stories, the best option available is Friends. But you can also create a custom list. You can also limit who can see your past posts by selecting Limit and then confirming. You'll also review your block list and add anyone you want to block from seeing your profile or interacting with you. After that, you'll select how people can find you on Facebook. Set who can send you friend requests to Friends of Friends to increase privacy. You'll also limit who can see your phone number and email by selecting the drop-down menu and choosing Only Me. By default, Facebook allows your profile to show up in search engines like Google. You can change this by toggling off the option. Next, you'll review your data settings on Facebook and remove any apps or websites you don't use. Turn off location sharing if you want to, and then review your ad preferences to ensure your profile information isn't being shared with advertisers. Toggle off any options you don't want to share, and then move on to the next topic. You'll also review social interactions and turn off any options you don't want to share. After completing the privacy checkup, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down to Audience and Visibility, and select Profile Information to review and adjust the settings for your About section. Make sure everything has your desired privacy setting, and turn off any information you don't want to share, such as your gender, birthday, or interests. Next, select How people find and contact you, and adjust the settings as desired. Then, go to Posts and limit who can see your future reels and sound bites to Friends. Select Followers and Public Content, and set the options to the most limited available, including turning off Facebook previews. Finally, go to Profile and Tagging, and limit everything to Only Me, including who can post on your profile and who can see posts you're tagged in. Turn on the option to review tags and posts before they appear on your profile. To finish, go back to the settings page and select Active Status. Then turn it off to prevent others from seeing when you're active on Facebook. Keep in mind that you won't be able to see others' active status if you turn this off. With these steps, your Facebook profile will be completely private, and others won't be able to see your information, tag you, or see your posts.